What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have 5 of the best dividend stocks to buy with dividend hikes or increases. This is in the consumer staples sector. These guys have increasing dividends, and some of these are the highest paying dividend stocks out there. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. 7,500 dividend warriors strong. Make sure you smash that like button. And let's check these stocks out right now. The first dividend stock I want to address that I'm long on and will continue to buy because there's a significant dip is British American Tobacco. Previous close was 47.18. Its day range was 46.22 to 46.93. Year range was 33.62 to 47.24. Its market cap was 105.50 billion US dollars. Its volume was 5.44 million. PE ratio is 11.69, and its dividend yield is 7.92%. So what do I like about these guys? First of all, people are going to smoke. They don't care. And this is in the consumer staples sector. It's good to diversify your dividend portfolio. And I'm going to say this again. People smoke. They don't care. There is a demand. People do ineffective coping mechanisms, and smoking is one of them. I'm going to go over their revenue real quick. BTI, British American Tobacco, you're seeing a significant increase in revenue over the years. So 2014 is 23,000, 2015 is 20,000, 2016 19,000, 2017 is 26,000, 2018 is 32,000, 2019 is 33,000, and 2020 was 33,096. So it's slowly increasing its revenue. And these guys are a high yield dividend stock, and I'll go over their dividend history. So here are the recent dividend hikes that British American Tobacco have. Right here in 2020 it was 67 cents. Then 2020 it hit 71 cents. Then it hit 74. Then it hit 72. Then it hit 73 cents. So these guys have consistently increased their dividend over time. These guys are a stock that are in demand with increasing revenue. So I'm buying these guys cheap. They haven't really recovered against the S&P. They're really down, and these guys are at a cheap discount. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And Coca-Cola is one of the next dividend stocks I want to address. These guys recently had a dividend hike. They're in demand. They're a Warren Buffett stock. Warren Buffett owns a lot of these stocks, a Coca-Cola stock, aka KO stock. They have a dividend yield of 2.81%, a PE ratio of 27.62, volume of 19.92 million US dollars. Market cap is 270.14 billion US dollars. Year range is 48.97 to 62.82. And its previous close was 62.12. What makes these guys exciting? Obviously, their revenue is doing very well, but I'm going to go over their dividend history. And another thing with these guys was that acquisition, the complete acquisition of Body Armor, which was huge. And, these guys own Fairlife, protein. It's like a milk. These guys are acquiring companies. They're just getting bigger and stronger. Just like Pepsi. Pepsi acquires a lot of companies like Frito-Lay and numerous companies, Gatorade, and they're doing very well. And Coca-Cola owns Powerade, and Powerade is in demand. And I can tell you a lot of college kids like Powerade and Gatorade because they're hungover. So, people can say, oh, yeah, that's not very good for you. Well, people are going to need it. And, the flu bug's out there, it's flu season. So people are going to need Gatorade and products like that. And Pedialyte and products, people are going to need it. So that's one thing that's in demand. Look at these dividend trends: 28 cents, 30 cents, 33 cents, 35 cents, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 44. Now, let me tell you, I go to the gas station. I'll pick up like a Bang energy drink when I'm like studying for midterms now that are going on this week, and my head's spinning around like crazy. And I cannot tell you how many people are at the gas station buying Gatorade and buying Powerade, which is owned by Coca-Cola. Fairlife, that's another thing that's on the shelf that people are buying like crazy. And Body Armor, people are consistently buying that because they're trying to exercise. And a lot of people enjoy taking Body Armor and do a lot of reviews on them on YouTube because it's just such a great company. So that was a really good thing that Coca-Cola sucked up. So 2022, 44 cents. And again, 2013, 28 cents. So you're seeing consistent dividend hikes, and that's huge. This is the recent news too. Look. 40 cents, 2019, 2020, 41. During the pandemic, they're increasing their dividends, 42 cents. And that was the recent news that they increased their dividend to 44 cents. So this is a Warren Buffett dividend stock that's doing very well. So let's jump to the next dividend stock. That third dividend stock is Altria. It's sitting at 51.74 with a dividend yield of 6.96%, volume 8.76 million. Market cap was 95.05 billion US dollars. Its year range was 42.53 to 52.59. Day range was 51.26 to 52.17. And its previous that next dividend stock is Altria Group, and this is a stock that has not done well against the S&P, but its dividend and its revenue is very attractive. And these guys are a very innovative sin stock. Now, people know Altria about smoking tobacco products, but they are looking into and sucking up some companies or shares or some part ownership with the Mary Jane business. So they are being very innovative and adapting to new changes within society that's going on. So symbol is MO. Dividend yield is 6.96%. Volume 8.76 million US dollars. The market cap is 95.05 billion US dollars. Year range was 42.53 to 52.59. Its day range was 51.26 to 52.17. Previous close was 51.37. The revenue is doing pretty well too, which helps these guys with their dividend hikes. You can tell their revenue has done pretty well in the past few years. So this is in millions US dollars. 2014, it's 24,522, 25,434, 25,744, 25,576, 25,364, 2019, 25,110. Then 2020, it hit 26,153. So these guys are generating money. And unfortunately, these companies, especially that own nicotine products, they know it's bad, but people are going to continue to buy them. And, people can tell you, oh, I'm going to smoke, or I'm going to stop partying, or I'm going to exercise. But where's the actions? And unfortunately, people are going to use these products from Altria or British American Tobacco as ineffective coping mechanisms. And I'm going to tell you, all you have to do is go to a gas station. Like I said, with Coca-Cola, look at how many times people go to the gas station and buy these products. That's a lot of money. It doesn't matter how much the nicotine tax is, people are still going to buy these products. They know it's bad and they don't care. That's the unfortunate thing. It's a sad thing to say about it. That's what makes these dividend stocks in demand and a very attractive, high-paying dividend stock, or one of the highest paying dividend stocks. Let's jump to their dividend history. Look at these dividend hikes by Altria. 2013, 44 cents, 48 cents, 52, 56, then 61, then 66, then 70, then 80, then it hit 90 cents. So 2021, it's 90 cents. 2013, it was 44 cents. So that's significant dividend hikes. And they're sitting at 51.74 with a PE ratio of 38.9 with a dividend yield of 6.96 and an annual dividend of 360. Again, it's unfortunate, but people are going to smoke. They don't care. These sin stocks, consumer staple stocks, are in demand. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. There's another stock that's in demand in the consumer staples sector. It has not done well against the S&P, and it's sitting at $111.61. That's Phillip Morris. Dividend yield of 4.48%, a PE ratio of 19.16, market cap 172.98 billion US dollars. Its year range was 83.98 to 112.48. Day range was 111.18 to 112.48. Its previous close was 111.90 cents. Again, I'm going to say this again. Just go to the gas station or go to the store. Look at how many people buy products, tobacco products, that have Philip Morris is their logo, or Altria, or British American Tobacco. These companies are in demand, and their revenue and dividends are doing very well. And I'll show you the revenue of Philip Morris. I wanted to go over the revenue in billions this time. This is companies.marketcap.com. 2012, 77.39 billion, and 2021, 80.92 billion. So look at this revenue history from Philip Morris. That is crazy. Look at this right here. 2006, the revenue was right here, 48.26 billion to 80.92 billion. So the revenue has increased over time. And their dividend history has very attractive, which I'll show you. And look at these dividend hikes. 2013, 85 cents, 94 cents, $1, $1, 2 cents, $1, 4 cents, $1, 7 cents, 114, 117, 120, then it hit 125. So it's sitting at 111.61 with a PE ratio of 19.14. a dividend yield of 4.48%, an annual dividend of a $5. I had to like pause. I'm like, wait a second, $5. Look at this, 125 with these dividend hikes, and the revenue is done very well. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. This is one of my favorite consumer staples dividend stocks to buy, and I own this one and I'm long in them. Very underrated and undervalued. B&G Foods, it's sitting at 31.40. Dividend yield is 6.05%. PE ratio 24.31. The volume is 788.55K. The market cap 2.04 billion. Year range is 27.21 to 36.52. Its day range is 31.09 to 31.66. What excites me about these guys, I'll reveal to you. Now look at these products that these guys carry that you see in the stores. These are very popular. Okay, this is on their website. Ortega, Green Giant, Cream of Wheat, Mrs. Dash, Crisco. They are big on Crisco. Weber, so this is some seasoning with Weber. Victoria, that's a popular one that I see. Maple syrup. Back to Nature plant-based foods. Bear Creek, that's a very popular one. New York Style. I just love a lot of their products, and I'll show you a few things that I really like that they carry. I haven't had cream of wheat in a while, but I can tell you I use a lot of Crisco products, especially with I'm making myself eggs in the morning. B&G's popular. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the seasoning blend, that's pretty popular. Crock-Pot seasoning mixes. How many people use Crock-Pot now? Einstein Brothers Bagels. Emeril's, I actually use some of his pasta sauce sometimes. Joan of Arc, very popular. I like, see, the Weber seasoning is very good. Skinny Girl's very popular. They also have something that's very interesting that I like as well, which is liquid smoked hickory. This stuff is so good. I've had this at the store, and sometimes when I grill it's just so good. I have been buying it, especially since I'm buying more chicken. Try to slim down, and this is one of my favorite products that they carry. But let's check out their revenue real quick. Their revenue has been on fire. So this is millions US dollars. 2014, 848, 966, 1,372, 1,646, 1,700, 1,660, and then 1,967. So those trends are very attractive. Now let's go over their dividend history. 2013, 2014, 34 cents, then it hit 35 cents, then it hit 42 cents in 2016, then 46 cents, then 2018 it hit 47 cents. So it's sitting at 31.40 with a dividend yield of 6.05% and a PE ratio of 24.15. So I have this one on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio as well. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one. I'm going to post a video tomorrow. It's going to kind of be probably be about real estate investment trusts. Take care and be safe.